National Fire Protection Association Code 72, also known as NFPA 72, covers the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code. Chapter 11 of NFPA 72 specifically addresses smoke detectors. Here are the key wiring requirements. Firstly, smoke detectors must be wired on a dedicated circuit. This means the circuit is specifically for the smoke detectors, although the code permits this circuit to also power other safety-related devices, such as fire alarm notification appliances. Secondly, smoke detectors must be wired using shielded twisted pair cable, often abbreviated as STP. If this cable is installed in an air handling space, it must be plenum rated. Plenum rated cables are designed to not release harmful smoke or fumes when burned, which is crucial for air quality in such spaces. Thirdly, smoke detectors must be connected to a central fire alarm panel. This panel is programmed to monitor the smoke detectors and, upon detecting smoke, activate the fire alarm system. The fire alarm panel serves as the central control and monitoring point for the entire system. Fourthly, smoke detectors must be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. These instructions are critical as they specify the minimum and maximum wiring distances between the smoke detector and the panel, ensuring proper signal transmission and system functionality. Fifthly, smoke detectors must be tested and inspected regularly, as detailed in Chapter 7 of NFPA 72. Regular testing and inspection are essential to ensure the smoke detectors are functioning correctly and to identify any potential issues before they become critical. In addition to these general requirements, there are specific requirements for smoke detectors in hotels, found in Chapter 24, which covers guest rooms and suites, and Chapter 25, which covers corridors and public areas of NFPA 72. These additional requirements include the following items. 1. Smoke detectors must be installed in all guest rooms and suites. This ensures that occupants are alerted to a fire within their private spaces. 2. Smoke detectors must be installed in all corridors and public areas. This provides coverage in common areas where fires could potentially start or spread. 3. Smoke detectors must be interconnected. This means that if one detector activates, all of the detectors in the building will activate, providing a comprehensive alert system. 4. Smoke detectors must be powered by the building's emergency power system. This ensures that the smoke detectors continue to function even during a power outage. It is important to note that these requirements are minimum requirements. Hotels may be required to comply with additional requirements imposed by local building codes or fire safety regulations. Always consult the relevant local codes and regulations to ensure full compliance. Understanding the specific details of wiring smoke detectors within the framework of NFPA 72 is crucial for ensuring the safety of hotel occupants and compliance with applicable regulations. The dedicated circuit requirement ensures that the smoke detectors have a reliable power source, minimizing the risk of failure due to electrical issues on shared circuits. The use of shielded twisted pair cable helps to reduce electrical interference, ensuring clear and reliable signal transmission between the smoke detectors and the fire alarm panel. Plenum-rated cables, when used in air handling spaces, prevent the spread of toxic fumes in the event of a fire, further enhancing safety. Connecting the smoke detectors to a central fire alarm panel allows for centralized monitoring and control of the system, facilitating a rapid response in the event of a fire. Following the manufacturer's installation instructions is essential for proper system operation, as it ensures that the wiring distances are within the specified limits and that the detectors are correctly positioned for optimal performance. Regular testing and inspection are critical for maintaining the system's functionality and identifying any potential issues before they become critical. The additional requirements for hotels, such as installing smoke detectors in all guest rooms, suites, corridors, and public areas, provide comprehensive coverage and enhance the overall level of fire safety. Interconnecting the smoke detectors ensures that all occupants are alerted to a fire, regardless of its location within the building. Powering the smoke detectors with the building's emergency power system ensures that they continue to function even during a power outage, providing continuous protection. Compliance with NFPA 72 and local building codes is essential for ensuring the safety of hotel occupants and preventing property damage in the event of a fire. Always consult with qualified professionals and local authorities to ensure that the smoke detector system meets all applicable requirements. The integrity of a smoke detector system depends not only on the quality of the components but also on the correct installation and maintenance practices. The dedicated circuit, in accordance with NFPA 72, minimizes the risk of electrical interference and ensures that the smoke detectors receive a stable power supply. The choice of shielded twisted pair cable is crucial for reducing electromagnetic interference, which can compromise the signal integrity between the detectors and the control panel. In air handling spaces, the use of plenum-rated cables is mandatory to prevent the spread of toxic fumes during a fire, a critical safety measure that protects building occupants. The central fire alarm panel plays a vital role in monitoring the smoke detectors and initiating an alarm response upon detecting smoke. This panel must be programmed and maintained properly to ensure its effectiveness. Adhering to the manufacturer's installation instructions is essential, as it ensures that the detectors are installed correctly and that the wiring distances are within acceptable limits. Regular testing and inspection, as specified in NFPA 72, are necessary to verify the functionality of the smoke detectors and to identify any potential issues that may arise over time. In hotels, the installation of smoke detectors in all guest rooms, suites, corridors, and public areas ensures comprehensive coverage and provides early warning to all occupants. Interconnecting the smoke detectors is a critical safety feature that allows all detectors to activate when one detects smoke, ensuring that everyone in the building is alerted to the potential danger. The emergency power system provides a backup power source for the smoke detectors, ensuring that they continue to function even during a power outage. Compliance with local building codes and fire safety regulations is essential, as these codes may impose additional requirements beyond those specified in NFPA 72. The combination of these measures creates a comprehensive and effective smoke detection system that protects hotel occupants and minimizes the risk of fire-related incidents. It's important to remember that regular maintenance, including testing and battery replacement, is essential for ensuring the continued effectiveness of the smoke detection system. Furthermore, hotel staff should be trained in the proper procedures for responding to fire alarms and evacuating the building in a safe and orderly manner. By adhering to NFPA 72 and local building codes, hotels can create a safe environment for their guests and employees, minimizing the risk of fire-related incidents and ensuring the well-being of all occupants. Continuous education and training are also important for keeping hotel staff up to date on the latest fire safety procedures and technologies. A well-maintained and properly installed smoke detection system is a critical component of a comprehensive fire safety plan, helping to protect lives and property in the event of a fire. Let us delve a little deeper into the various technical aspects of smoke detector wiring in hotels based on NFPA 72. Starting with the dedicated circuit, NFPA 72 mandates this for a reason. By having a separate circuit, the smoke detectors are less susceptible to voltage drops or electrical interference from other devices, which could impair their functionality. The dedicated circuit must be properly sized to handle the current draw of all the connected smoke detectors and any other permitted safety devices. The size of the circuit breaker or fuse protecting the circuit must also be appropriately selected to prevent overloads and ensure proper operation. Moving on to the shielded twisted pair cable, the shielding provides a barrier against electromagnetic interference, or ME, which can disrupt the signals transmitted between the smoke detectors and the fire alarm panel. The twisted pair configuration further reduces interference by cancelling out common mode noise. The cable must be properly grounded to ensure the effectiveness of the shielding. The plenum rating requirement for cables installed in air handling spaces is crucial for preventing the spread of toxic fumes during a fire. Plenum rated cables are made from materials that are self-extinguishing and produce minimal smoke when burned. The central fire alarm panel serves as the brain of the smoke detection system. It monitors the status of the smoke detectors, initiates alarms when smoke is detected, and provides annunciation of the alarm location. The panel must be programmed correctly to ensure that it responds appropriately to different types of alarms and that it communicates effectively with other fire protection systems, such as sprinklers and fire suppression systems. The manufacturer's installation instructions provide detailed guidance on the proper installation and wiring of the smoke detectors. These instructions specify the minimum and maximum wiring distances between the smoke detectors and the panel, as well as the proper methods for connecting the detectors to the wiring. Following these instructions is essential for ensuring that the system operates correctly and that the detectors are properly positioned to detect smoke. Regular testing and inspection are critical for maintaining the functionality of the smoke detection system. NFPA 72 specifies the frequency and types of tests that must be performed, including sensitivity testing, functional testing, and visual inspections. These tests help to identify any potential issues with the detectors, such as reduced sensitivity, faulty wiring, or damaged components. The additional requirements for hotels, such as installing smoke detectors in all guest rooms, suites, corridors, and public areas, are designed to provide comprehensive coverage and ensure that all occupants are alerted to a fire. The interconnection of the smoke detectors is a critical safety feature that allows all detectors to activate when one detects smoke. This ensures that everyone in the building is alerted to the potential danger, regardless of their location. The emergency power system provides a backup power source for the smoke detectors, ensuring that they continue to function even during a power outage. The emergency power system must be regularly tested to ensure that it is functioning properly and that it can provide sufficient power to the smoke detectors in the event of a power outage. Compliance with local building codes and fire safety regulations is essential, as these codes may impose additional requirements beyond those specified in NFPA 72. It is important to consult with local authorities to ensure that the smoke detection system meets all applicable requirements. In conclusion, the proper wiring and installation of smoke detectors in hotels is a complex and critical task that requires careful attention to detail and compliance with NFPA 72 and local building codes. By following these guidelines, hotels can create a safe environment for their guests and employees, minimizing the risk of fire-related incidents and ensuring the well-being of all occupants.